Aloha, my name is Matthew Morosco. I'm the co-founder of the nonprofit Tree Recovery Hawaii, and our mission is quite simple. We're here to provide and grow trees for free for the people of Lahaina and Kula that lost their trees in the August 8, 2023 Maui wildfire. So with travel advisors like yourself, you could help by, as simple as a donation. Your donation will go to buying, a pot, soil, and trees. So currently we have 8,500 trees potted up in 28 grow hubs across the island. Our goal is to grow 30,000 trees.
Aloha, my name is Kimo Simpliciano, the operational manager for Tree Recovery Hawaii. Aloha, and thank you for joining us here on Maui, and hope to see you soon. You can help us by donating, like Matthew said, to our website, treerecoveryhawaii.org, and we can show you and be participatory in helping our Maui heal. So when visitors come, let's be part of the healing together, and let's put our hands in the soil and let's go. Let's replant and regreen Maui.
So within our 28 grow hubs, we have 15 resorts that are partners. We're actually a partner with the state of Hawaii airports. We recently partnered with Maui Brewing Company. We have it's kind of our farm headquarters. So we host a lot of groups up there. So that's something you can contact us through our website if you have a family or small group you want to come up to the farm. It's a very magical farm, 25 acres, way above Kapalua Plantation Estates. There's Chef Zach Laidlaw of Huamamona Farms. He's a celebrity chef. So that's a very, very unique opportunity. You have to, you access that through the gate. It's not open to the public. It's not a restaurant. So this is a private farm way above, we call it up Mauka, up towards the mountains, is our Tree Recovery Hawaii Aina Educational Center. I'm glad you asked about the banyan tree. That's really how our organization was started. Our founding partner, Dwayne Sparkman, is not here. He might be later, but Dwayne, his full-time job, he's the chief engineer at Royal Lahaina Resort, but he's also the chairman of the Maui County Arborist Committee that oversees all the unique trees in Maui Nui, which is all of our islands here of Maui. And so he got a call to go check on the banyan tree about 3 days after the fire. What we realized is that 40% of the banyan tree, which is the front and the side where Pioneer Mill Inn was it didn't catch fire. It was the ambient heat that cooked the tree. So that was arbored out, so that was cut out. And then the banyan tree was really saved by removing the big concrete blocks, augering down into the soil, 12 to 15 feet, augering down into the soil, 12 to 15 feet, and virtually just injecting water in compost tea. So it was a compost tea application that really saved the tree. The tree has probably never been healthier. So think about it like this. It's like if anybody's ever run a marathon, and man, if you could get an IV after a marathon, you're great, like within hours. So really, that banyan tree that is 153 years old got an IV of compost tea, and it is so healthy. There's red cherries on this banyan tree, so the banyan tree is very, very healthy. The other unique thing that Tree Recovery did is that on February 6th of 2024, we went up into the banyan tree and we pulled out 14 air layers, which is a way of removing a branch from the mother tree, potting those up, and those are being hosted at different resorts across the island. And then when the day comes, which we're sounding like it's going to be December 1st, these 14 air layers are going to be planted back into Banyan Park, and they will grow back into the mother tree.